Will it ever stop raining on my parade? Come on. What's up, everyone? How's it doing? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm your guy, Easy E. And if you can see from behind me, I can't do nothing until I get this garage clean. So we be back to you in a snap. And that's what I'm talking about. Voila! In the snap of a finger. Got all that stuff out the garage. Now it's time to go see this 2012 Hyundai Sonata. I did the best I can do with what I have to work with. I do not have a shop. I do not have a frame machine. Me and my wife looked for a frame machine from Vivor. It's like $2,000. I don't want those small ones. But that would still take up a lot of space in my garage because it does not collapse. But we're thinking about getting one in the future. Because there ain't nothing to it but to do it. When you gonna need one eventually. Try to get these light hit front end damaged cars. But it's not one of my cars. So I did the best I could do with what I have. Let's go take a look. So from the last video, we took everything apart. And of course, it's starting to rain. And I want to get some of these parts painted. Like get the inside of the hood painted, front bumper painted, and the fender painted. But these are used parts. The hood front bumper fog light came from LKQ. Cost like $190 for all three of those items. The headlight, fender, core support, windshield washer reservoir, coolant tank, $220 at Pick and Pull. And the paint that I'm using is from K&K Auto Body Supplies over there in Gary, Indiana on Ridge Road. The paint was $180. And they gave me $1,000 budget for this car. So y'all can critique my work, whatever. But like I said, $1,000 budget to put this car back together from what it looked like to this. Try to get the body lines correct, but on this side, it took the brunt of the damage. The fender apron got pushed down. I tried to pull it out as best I could with my truck. Because like I said, I don't got a frame machine, but I couldn't pull it up. I pulled it out, but I couldn't pull it up. Because obviously, I don't have a frame machine. So over here, everything looks good. Fender can go in a little bit more. Hood gap right here, but y'all remember it was hit right here. Like I said, it is raining, so I don't know if the front end is tweaked, because over here, y'all see how the gap is. It's not like that side over there. I tried moving the hinges. They are new hinges. The bent ones are over there. But it overlaps. It's not overlapping, but you can finger run into it right here. So I think the front end been shifted a little bit towards this way. But you can't tell from the front because the bumper gap on this side lines up. With the bumper on this side, it almost lines up with this body line right here. Then that don't line up right there, but it lines up over here. But the hood still closes. It's gonna look 10 times. Like I said, it's gonna look 10 times better than what it did look like. I had to repair this bumper. It is an aftermarket bumper. This hood has been repainted before, so I got my work cut out for me. Nothing has been buttoned up under there. I thought about that the other day. I don't got no screws and nothing. I don't got the cord, well, in the hood, of course, and the headlights, some of the screws in there. so they won't fall out, but they're not plugged in. Need new bulbs. Obviously that fog light ain't in there because I gotta take the grill out, gotta paint this, but I gotta get to work. So I'm gonna take this all back apart again while it's raining and get everything prepped for paint. Won't be able to finish the hood, of course. Like I said, I gotta paint the inside of the hood, then I gotta wait for it to dry, cure, then flip it over and paint the outside because I don't got a shop. And it's raining on me. With the front bumper, I have to scuff it down real good, and sand and the fender, of course. So let me get started. So, as y'all can see, it's really coming down now. Wasn't supposed to rain this weekend, but it's raining the whole freaking weekend. Don't want to remove the hood from the car in the rain. So I guess I'm gonna be paying that off the camera, but I do gotta get this fender and this front bumper done, because I have to get that done in the rain. Because like I said before, I got to make a video every freaking weekend, or y'all ain't gonna have nothing to watch. Because all the weeks I took off, gotta build my library back up. So I'm trying to build it back up, so when those weekends I can't record nothing, y'all have video watch, unless I can start re-editing my old videos to make reruns. But then I gotta find all that video footage. I lost a lot of it over the years. Like some of it is on my first computer. I'm into my third computer after doing this for 5 years. The first computer, my granddaughter messed up, got a second one, which still works. Then I just got a third one. So I wanted double monitors and I wanted a tower. But like I said, let me stop talking. I'm getting rained out here. I don't got no shop. So let me just start working on this fender and bumper. Y'all seen that? Like I said, this is not a brand new bumper. It's a used bumper with a little damage on it. This is a $1,000 budget build. Used fender with a little dent in it. I see a little dent right there. So I'm gonna use my 1K primer sealer. This front bumper does have a lot of rock chip damage, a lot of scrapes from the ground. It keep on raining. It stop and start again, stop and start again. I would have loved to get that. I would love to cut that hood in, but now why it keep raining like this? Then I just looked around my garage. I ain't got no space in here to even try to paint that whole hood with the fender and the front bumper. Maybe if I could move that garbage can, but that's full of aluminum, so it's real heavy. And I'm still working on getting rid of these motors and transmissions. But we can do one thing at a time. So let me jump on into this with my Transtar 1K primer sealer, so we can get this over with. It finally stopped raining for a minute. Maybe I will be able to get this cut in, not in this video, but today. I have to cover the engine with plastic because I want to get all wet up under there. Probably do need to be cleaned anyway. But we up in here making a mess because I wet the floor. So a lot of stuff will stick to the floor. This overspray. Now I'm waiting for like 30 minutes so it can dry. Then I'm supposed to wait 30 minutes before I can put the base coat on. Still a little wet. I can see that on both of them. It's not too hot outside. But I do got 2 coats. You know you only need 1 coat of that Transtar. But I can still see it's wet. It looks glossy too, but it shouldn't be look glossy. It should look like a matte color when it's dry. So I wait for it to all look matted. Right now it's still glossy in some spots, but it is doing a good job covering up the rock chips, filling them in. Let's go double check on my wait times. Oh, apply 1 or 2 full wet coats to achieve hiding. Wait 10 to 15 minute flash time. Dry time, flash before, they say flash before top coat, 10 to 20 minutes. Dry sand, 10 to 20 minutes. Max recoat without sanding, 8 hours. You can't force drying on this. So I gotta wait 10 to 15 minutes before I can do my base coat. Here's my Vast bar. Base coat for Hyundai Z3, Z3S. Silver, blue, pearl. So, woo. I'll catch y'all back. Y'all, why always gotta say that? Y'all know how I do it over here, how we do it when we do come all together out here. You know what I'm saying? When the whole Easy's Rebuild team come together. But usually it's just me. But I'm used to saying we because it's me, my wife, and all the kids. When my kids show up, me and all of them, me and my step kids. That'd be Roger, Cody, Erica, my niece. She been in some videos. My other son, Fast, haven't been in no videos. My other two kids haven't been in no videos. Anaya and Emery. But everybody supposed to work as a team over here. But I guess I gotta always ask for help. But I don't need no help doing this. So let's continue what I was doing. Boy, I'm telling you, these GoPro batteries don't last that long, people. About ready to have to change the battery again. I think when the battery start getting low, when I don't know if my computer or is it my recording when it starts stopping and it keep blinking in and out. Only when the battery's about to go dead. I don't know. We're gonna keep on going ahead with this own thing because we got two coats of the base coat, that weird blue color that changes to silver, then sometimes look like it's gold. But we got those two coats on there. And in between flash times, let me keep myself occupied by putting little pieces together on there. I got that crash bar on there that's all rusty. That's how it came. So we put it back on there. Like I said, it's $1,000 budget. They give me $1,000 to fix just the appearance of the car. We're gonna say the appearance of the car, because I don't got a frame machine to pull that one side out. But I would in new tabs if y'all want to see that. But it's still kind of mangled down there. I did fold it over. I did pull it straight, as you can see right here, because this was buckled. I used my clamp and I pulled it with the truck, so I pulled all this back straight. But like I said, I still need to go up with it, because seam here split, seam there split, but I don't got no frame machine. And I'm not about to sit here and drill all these spot welds and put a whole new fender apron in here. It's not worth it for me. So we're just gonna make it do what it do. Like I have a welder. I can weld these tabs anywhere I want to weld them. I make everything fit. And I still got a little bit more. I'm still gonna try to get that out a little bit more over there. Cause you see, you still got right there, still kink that I was working on that. That means this whole thing got to come up. This kink out of here, right? Is good. Got a little buckle up underneath. And I still got to work on this. so I can weld that one tab back on there. But not in the rain, that is. Still gotta get that hood painted. Stop raining for now. Gotta check the forecast. But GoPro battery's about to go dead. Let me change the battery and throw this clear coat on. I meant bumper and fender. Like I said, this is a used fender, so it's not going to be perfect. And I'm going to say this one more time. This was $1,000 budget build. So you really can't say nothing. I would have liked to found the, so I got to use junkyard parts. Brand new bumper costs $108 plus tax, and you got to wait for it to come in. This bumper was $65.99 at the junkyard. That fender, forgot how much that fender was, because that's from Pick and Pull. I ain't look for a new fender, but you can find fenders. It's just the bumper and hoods you can't find. Because usually these cars take a front end collisions. All the cars I seen was really front end collisions. Like I said, this bumper already had a lot of rock chip damage. You can see it in the paint, the clear coat, all the little rock chips. The people that painted this bumper before didn't do a good job painting it, because that would all the way into the plastic. Like this car must have been pulled behind an RV or something with all these. Keep thinking it's a bug on me with all these rock marks in it. Like I said, I'm not really getting paid that much to do this. Like I said, $1,000 budget, $1,000. So I gotta get this car fixed under $1,000 so I can at least make a couple of dollars. See what I'm saying? Then got to see a bug done flew into the clear coat. Lucky at the bottom. And he's still moving. Let's keep him on the bottom, y'all. Keep him on the bottom. Because y'all see when I was spraying, I got little bubbles in there too. I get a bubble. But as I was spraying, I was having to pick bugs out. There go another bug. A gnat. Just sitting in the clear. Oh. I'm gonna try to blow that one out, but it is what it is. Or maybe I can grab that with some tweezers or something. Like I said, it is what it is. I can't blow them. Just got to leave them. gonna look like it's gonna start raining again. But at least I was able to get a video made of me doing a little paint. Because I did want to get that car finished, like get everything painted this weekend. But not with all this bad weather we've been having. Hopefully these colors kind of match. Because I can't tell on that car. Even though in different shades it look different. It look dark blue over there it look light blue. I'm talking about the fender look dark blue. But I know they matched it up as good as they could, and the car looked light blue. I'm like, it's just different colors and different shades. Like right now it look light blue, then it look gold, then it look gray. But we're gonna get on out of here because I gotta run to the grocery store because I'm always doing something around here. So, if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Share this video with your friends, family, and co-workers on your social media. Be truly appreciated. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy's Rebuilds. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you be notified whenever we release a new video. We have merch like this at teespring.com. We take Cash App donations. We take donations of cars. And with all that, oh man, I almost forgot something. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X. Now, with all that, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces!